This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make round croissants. We will begin by preparing a strong, elastic dough, which is the foundation for any great croissant. This initial step is crucial for developing the gluten structure needed to withstand the lamination process. We will use high-protein flour and cold butter to ensure the best texture and flavor. Understanding these basics sets you up for success in creating these unique pastries. Next, we tackle lamination, the heart of any croissant. This involves carefully encasing a cold butter block within the dough and performing a series of folds, known as turns. We will complete 3 single turns, resting the dough for 30 minutes in the refrigerator after each. Maintaining a consistent cold temperature is absolutely critical for preventing the butter from melting and ensuring distinct, flaky layers. Now for the exciting part, shaping your round croissants. First, roll your laminated dough to a final thickness of about 1/8 inch. Then, cut the dough into long, rectangular strips, approximately 4 inches wide. Tightly roll each strip from one end to the other, creating a beautiful spiral. Ensure you maintain even tension throughout the rolling process to achieve that perfectly uniform, appealing round shape. Finally, we move to proofing and baking. Proof your shaped croissants in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours, until they are nearly doubled in size and feel light. Before baking, brush them with an egg wash for that signature golden brown, shiny crust. Bake your round croissants at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, until perfectly puffed and golden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.